We have a couple different types of knockouts, both in the chassis that are concentric, as well as some breaker knockouts in these two different plates. You can see that one has a screwdriver slot to break it out, the others do not, but they pretty much function the same. In this knockout for the breakers with the screwdriver slot, you take a screwdriver, flat-headed screwdriver, or anything of the like, slip it inside there, and by bending back and forth, you can see that it breaks it out quite easily. It does not take much effort to bend it back and forth to break it out. The other kind, which is similar in nature, does not have the screwdriver slot, and at that point you use a screwdriver and a hammer to knock it loose. Once it's broken free, you can see that it's slightly ajar, and you can use a screwdriver to finish bending it out. The other kind of knockouts that we have are round knockouts for conduit or strain reliefs, and they're either concentric or a solid knockout here. Most of these, you start with the screwdriver from the inside, and you can see that there's a little bit of metal holding on two sides, but the rest is free. So I'm going to put the screwdriver where the metal is not holding it in. You can see it starting to protrude there now. By working the screwdriver in there and hitting the other side, pry it out and bend it back and forth till it breaks out. The other smaller ones work the same way. You can see there's a little bit of metal that holds on either side. You can either knock the center out like that and bend it off the rest of the way to free it, or from the inside on this one, work the whole larger one out, giving you two different sizes of holes to be used.